Student did A13 CPU first attempt. He is from actually Tamil Nadu. Show me, brother. Okay, it is powered on. Powered on. Okay, you power off that. Not that. Okay. Show the logo and show me the touch. 1 minute, wait. Taking normal boot, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, touch. Properly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now. Brother, you did A13 CPU.
Yes, sir.
Where are you from?
I am from Tamil Nadu, sir.
Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
You are from where actually?
Tirupur.
Tirupur. Okay. And you have been here for 10 days, I think.
Yes.
Okay. You find my class. That means you come for advanced class.
Yeah.
You give me less time.
Yes.
And I did complete your all CPUs. I think minimum. I think I make you done 4 CPUs. What are the CPUs you done?
I done A8, A10, and A13.
This is the A13.
A13.
I gave you one more board A14.
Yes, sir.
And you are satisfied with my class or not?
Yes.
Okay. Do you recommend other students who is coming from the Tamil Nadu?
Yeah.
Because you don't know any English, I mean Hindi.
Yeah.
I need to take English class. My class is understandable to you?
Yes, very clear and understandable.
That means you are satisfied.
Yes.
Thank you, brother. Thank you very much. And all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.